Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable Find My Device on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, tap Security and Privacy, Google, or Security, depending on your device. Look for Find My Device or Find Hub, then tap on it. Turn on the Find My Device or Find Hub toggle to enable the feature. Next, go back to the main settings menu and tap Location. Make sure location is turned on, since it's required to help locate your phone if it's ever lost. Also, confirm that you're signed into your Google account, as Find My Device uses your Google account to locate and manage your phone remotely. To make sure everything is working properly, you can open Find My Device or Find Hub on another Android device or a computer and verify that your phone appears in the list of connected devices. Once enabled, you'll be able to locate your phone, make it ring, lock it remotely, or erase its data if it's ever lost or stolen. That's all. You've successfully enabled Find My Device on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.